everyone. Um, in previous video, we learned how to create a basic form that normally doesn't come with extra marks for editing. So now I'm going to ignore the question, but I'm going to show you what if the question asks you to make it user-friendly. Usually it will come with like 4 marks. Normally the 4 marks comes with proper title, this is 1 mark, and proper column name. So we are going to remove all the underscores. Proper field size, so instead of like making it very tall like this, we're going to reduce the size, make it like shorter, or if can make it all same length, and we're going to add some basic buttons, navigation buttons. So let's start up. So you can click at layout view, you can edit in layout view, or you can edit in design view as well. Okay, to remove all this underscore, I prefer layout view so that I can see. So I'm just going to make it like this. If you want, you can add a colon. Okay, just make it as user-friendly, as presentable as possible. Instead of this, registration date. So this is date of birth. If can, like make it full name, full word lah. Okay. So this one, food allergy. So in this one, you can even make it a question. Do you have food allergy? Okay. Now we have proper questions on the left, and then we're gonna standardize the height. So I see all these 4 have the same height, so I'm just gonna reduce the height first. Roughly, I'm following what I have on the left, the label, this one. No need to be exact, just roughly, okay? And I'm gonna arrange. Up to you how you wanna arrange. If you're moving, try to use your arrow rather than using your keyboard, your mouse, so it gives you a better control. I'm gonna make it all same length now, the text boxes. So I don't want it to be too. Okay, that cursor that you saw just now is for the form. This one is for to resize. Okay, let's say I want to make here. Even the date also, I want to date and allergy and all this. Okay, so I can reduce back. Okay, you can always go back to your form view to check. Okay, I want it to be all left aligned. I don't want the dates like this. So this is the extra part that I'm doing, and I want black font. For me, I want it to be presentable. Okay, now 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 marks. The 4th mark is navigation button. So I want to add my button at the bottom. You want to add at the side here also can. Just add some extra space and you can go ahead. Now at the bottom here, I don't have any extra space. I just pull it down, pull the form down, not the text box down. So I just pull the form down. You go to form design or form layout design, either one of it. You see this one. This is button. And make sure, click arrow down. You see this, use control wizard. It is like boxed. That means it's selected. If it's not selected, this is how it will look like. We want to make sure it's selected. Why? When I click this, and let's say I want to put here, when I click, this box will pop out. If it's not selected, you won't get this box. Okay, let me show you how to handle if you didn't get the box. So I'm just gonna click this, no box, right? But you can't do anything. So just delete this, go here on it, then you put your buttons. So normally you can put anything, up to you. This is my default buttons that I will put. Okay, copy mine, no problem. Previous. Okay, one more thing. Let me add a button here first. Okay, I choose here, I immediately press finish because mine is in the design that I normally go for. If you want to change, you can press next. You can leave it as a text, so this will show, or you can choose different arrow that you want to show. So since I already choose what I want, so every time that when I want to do, I will just go with this one. So it will automatically choose this. That's why I press finish. Okay, you can always change. These are my navigations. In the middle is my operation. So that means this is for the new record. If the question asks me to create a new entry, and then after I create new entry, I need to save it. So this is my save button. Then if I made a mistake, then I just want to delete that. So I want to have a delete. This is optional. Okay, you can choose whatever you want to put. Okay, let me arrange a little. Okay, push it back up. No need too much space. Now in your form view, go back to form view. Your button must work. Okay, so this is a basic user-friendly form. This is how you create this. Okay. For other buttons like radio button and drop down button, I'll see you in the next videos.